Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Recently I went camping and for the first time I took my massage chair. We went to Trona Pinnacle, which is about 160 miles and takes about 3 hours from Los Angeles with no traffic. It is a desert, but it looks more like a different planet with unique tufa formations. These were formed underwater 10,000 to 100,000 years ago. According to Wikipedia, this place has been used for movies such as Star Trek: The Final Frontier, Lost in Space, Disney's Dinosaur, and Planet of the Apes, and many commercials. This was close to the epicenter of the recent big earthquake, but luckily we didn't feel any shaking while we were there. After the dinner, my friend took pictures with the Milky Way. It was half moon that night, but the moon didn't come up until after midnight, so we could see so many stars and it was beautiful. Here's the chair massage under the Milky Way. But to tell you the truth, to take these pictures with starry sky, you have to use a long exposure, so I had to be still for about 30 seconds after the flash went off. The sunrise was beautiful too. I did the actual massage in the morning after I put away my tent. I enjoyed looking at the desert scene to give these massages, and I think my friends liked it too. I mean, if I set up shop and say who wants a massage, I only get people who like to get massage because I never force it upon anyone. I thought about taking a massage table, but I figured a massage chair was easier to carry and set up in the desert. The sun is very strong, so we hurry to pack up and leave before it gets too hot around 9 a.m. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.